What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable receiving DMs from anyone on Twitter. Now, just to preface this, I would like to say that if you are following someone and they are following you back, it will allow you to still DM these people. So obviously you could just unfollow the people that you don't want them to DM you. But if you do have them followed, that they'll still be able to DM you. This just makes it so that anybody that you're not following directly isn't allowed to DM you, and it's kind of closing your DMs. They kind of refer to as a closing or opening if you ever seen that. So you could open up your DMs and have them open or have them closed if you please. So stepping into Twitter here, you will see I'm just on the main menu. And what you're going to want to do is head over to the direct message menu by clicking the icon in the bottom right hand corner, the little mail icon as you can see. And then in the top right corner, there's going to be a little gear icon. Of course, that's going to take you to the settings menu. So you'll go ahead and click on that. And then jumping into this menu here, the very first option there is allow message requests from everyone. Mine is set to open, but you could just easily hit that lever there and then it will also close. And then also gray out the filter out low quality messages because nobody else will be able to DM you that has low quality messages. As you can see there, I probably need to turn that on anyway because I have a bunch of bots that are DMing me and spamming this account because I don't really use it, so it's kind of understandable. But that's pretty much all there is to it, to the video point. I hope you enjoyed this video, but if you did have any questions, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you have found this helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.